Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Ambika, goddess Durga, who was known as Dakshayini Sati, again accepted Lord Shiva as her husband, just as different energies of the Supreme Personality of Godhead act during the course of a new creation. According to a verse of the Vedic mantras, Parashya Shaktir Vividaiva Shruyate, the Supreme Personality of Godhead has different varieties of energies. Sakti is feminine, and the Lord is Purusha, masculine. It is the duty of the female to serve under the Supreme Purusha. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, all living entities are marginal energies of the Supreme Lord. Therefore, it is the duty of all living entities to serve this Supreme Person. Durga is the representation in the material world of both the marginal and external energies, and Lord Shiva is the representation of the Supreme Person. The connection of Lord Shiva and Ambika, or Durga, is eternal. Sati could not accept any husband but Lord Shiva. How Lord Shiva remarried Durga as Himavati, the daughter of the Himalayas, and how Kartikeya was born, is a great story in itself.